Sir, my question is about the chaos of this 1971, the separation of East Pakistan and West Pakistan. Sir, what are the military flaws? मतलब क्या ऐसी चीज़ें थीं जो वो कर सकते थे जो उनसे नहीं हो सकी, या कुछ ऐसे जो मतलब किसी गलत एजेंट से सुन के बातें, या जिनकी लॉबी बहुत, जैसे इंडिया की लॉबी बहुत मजबूत थी, तो क्या सर ऐसे मेजर्स हम अडॉप्ट कर सकते थे कि हम हमारी मिलिट्री बेहतर हो जाती?
No. First of all, I would say that normally we watch different media houses, especially from India, and then even the social media and few media houses here, including the statements from different quarters, and they always say it's basically the Pakistan army who has been defeated, and I take it this way. It's basically it was a national defeat, I would say.
Okay.
Right? Or in that, I feel that everybody is responsible, right? From the president, and even for that matter, the military, or for that matter, the bureaucracy, your politicians, and everybody had some interest in some sort. I am really impressed the way you people have covered all this in 50 years old, and all the stories, small stories have been joined together, and I am sure this may be the first drop in the rain. Why? Because in any case we have to face the reality. We have to have grip on our history, and the true history. The history is not to be tainted. It has to be the real history.
Yeah.
It all happened. And now, but there are so many things actually which can be said. Now, if I say Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was in communication with Indians since 1962, and even for that matter, he had started getting into communication for all these things even prior to 1962. And even I say Agartala case was absolutely right. So that means it was sort of a civil war. Imagine 4,100-kilometer border with India. Three sides is being covered by India, Bay of Bengal and some portion of Bhutan, and that's it. And how much army you used to have? 34,000. Are you really going to defend that sort of a portion of Pakistan with 34,000? And then meager strength, Air Force negligible, likewise same is the case with the Navy or Armor Force. What to talk? So I say it is a complete failure at every possible level in Pakistan. That is exactly what I can say.
So thank you so much. It's really an honor to ask some questions, and really it's an honor. Thank you so much, sir. Enjoy your evening.